Dear students, the last class discussed about 2 marks question. First 4 questions. Today we are discussing about remaining 2 marks question. See the question number 5. If A band is given, B band is given, to calculate A into B transpose, and we need to calculate A transpose of B. We need to calculate A into transpose of B and transpose of A into B. We need to calculate those two matrices. How to find A into transpose of B and A transpose of B? See the solution. First of all, what are the given A matrix and B matrix? You should write. Find transpose of A. Transpose of A is nothing but interchanging rows and columns means first row replace with the first column, second row replace with the second column. Finally we got transpose of A. Next transpose of B is nothing but first row can be replaced with first column, second row replaced with the second column. Finally we got transpose of A and transpose of B. First we need to calculate transpose A into transpose of B. So we need to calculate A into transpose of B. Now substitute A matrix is 2, 3, minus 1, 4. Next substitute transpose of B is 1, 2, minus 1, 4. A matrix and transpose of B matrix is 1, 2, minus 1, 4. Now applying the multiplication of matrix condition, first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. That's why 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. First row, first column is over. Next now product with first row, second column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 4, 12. First row, first column is over. Next we are going to second row, first column. Product with second row, first column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Next product with the second row, second column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 4 into 4, 60. Finally we got A into transpose of B matrix is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 4 plus 12, that is 60. Minus 1 minus 4, minus 5. Minus 2 plus 16, that value is 14. This is required solution for the A into transpose of B. Same way, so we need to calculate transpose of A into B. Now substitute transpose of A matrix is 2 minus 1, 3, 4. Next we have to substitute B matrix is 1, minus 1, 2, 4. Now by applying the multiplication of two matrices condition, first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. 2 into 1, 2 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. First row, first column is over. Now first row, second column. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. First row, first column is over. Product with the first row, second column is over. Next we are going to product with the second row, first column. 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 2, 8. Product second row, first column is over. Next product with the second row, second column. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 4 into 4, 16. Finally got answer is 2 minus 2, that value is 0. Minus 2 minus 1, that value is minus 6. 3 plus 8, that value is 11. Minus 3 plus 16, that value is 13. This is required for the solution of transpose of A into B. These are solution. First, we have to find the transpose of A and transpose of B. After that, to calculate A into transpose of B. Finally, we got A into transpose of B matrix is minus 1, 16, minus 5, 14. Next, to calculate transpose of A into B. Substitute transpose of A matrix and substitute B matrix. After that, applying the multiplication of two matrix condition, finally we get the transpose of A into B matrix value is 0, minus 6, 11, 13. This is solution for this question. So everyone understood the question? Dear friends, everyone understanding how to find A into B transpose and A transpose of B is the solution of this. Next we have to discussing about sixth question. See the question number 6. If capital A is equal to, very important this question, 2 minus 1 1 4 and B is equal to minus 3 2 minus 1 4. Verify or show that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This type of question very, very important for the final exam 2 marks question. So to prove that AB whole transpose is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A, we have to verify both are equal or not. So now we are going to solution. Given capital A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 4. So what is the transpose of A is equal to, first row replace with first column, second row replace with second column. We got transpose of A is equal to 1 minus 1 4. Next B is equal to, given matrix is minus 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 4. So find the transpose of B is equal to, interchanging your rows and column, first row replace with first column, second row replace with second column, minus 1 4. According to question, first we need to calculate AB matrix. After that we need to calculate transpose of AB. That's why first we need to calculate AB matrix. Substitute A matrix is 2 minus 1 1 4. Next substitute B matrix is minus 3 2 minus 1 4. By applying the multiplication of two matrices condition, product with the first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. That's why 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Next product with the first row, second column, 2 into 2 4 plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So first row first column, first row second column is all. Next product with the second row in the first matrix, product with the first column in the second matrix. 1 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 1, that value is minus 4. Next product with the second row, second column. So 1 into 2 plus 4 into 4 16. So is equal to, so AB is equal to, we got minus 6 plus 1, that value is minus 5. 4 minus 4, that value is 0. Minus 3 minus 4, that value is minus 7. 2 plus 6 18. But they are asking taking LHS part. So we need to calculate transpose of AB. So we need to calculate transpose of AB. So AB you got matrix is minus 5 0 minus 7 18. So next we need to calculate transpose of AB is nothing but interchanging rows and column. First row replace with first column, row elements can be replaced with the column elements. Second row elements can be replaced with the second column. We got minus 7 18. So left hand side we got transpose of AB is equal to minus 5 minus 7 0 18. Next we need to calculate transpose of B into transpose of A. So now I am taking RHS. So B transpose of A. Substituting transpose of B matrix value is -3 -1 and 2 4. Next substitute transpose of A matrix is 2 1 2 1 -1 4. By applying the multiplication of two matrices condition, now product with first row and the first column. So -3 into 2, that value is -6. After the text symbol plus, -1 into -1 is +1. First row first column is over. Next product with the first row second column. -3 into 1 is -3 plus -1 into 4 is -4. So first row first column, first or second column is over. Next product with second row and the first column. 2 2 are 4 plus 4 into -1, that value is -1. Next product with second row second column. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 4 4 are 16. So finally got answer is -5 -7 0 80. So we got transpose of B is equal to transpose of A is equal to -5 -7 0 80. Observe LHS part and RHS part. LHS part and RHS part both are equal. Right conclusion. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Suppose both are not equal, you should write LHS is not equal to RHS. AB whole transpose not equal to B transpose into A transpose. But in this question, LHS and RHS both are equal. That's why we are writing LHS is equal to RHS. AB whole transpose is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. These are solutions from this question. Dear students, very important this type of question. Okay, I think you don't understand those questions. So left of the questions we'll discussing about next class. Thank you all.